Hi, I'm Noah, and today we're going to learn how to reset your router back to its factory default settings. Sometimes after you move or something like that, you just want to start over and have your router as if it was new. So this is how to do it. First, you'll need just a simple paper clip, and you'll need to just unfold it so it's like a little stick. Then you'll have to look towards the back of your router and locate a small hole, like this one here. Often it will be written reset next to it on a lot of models. Now all you have to do is take your paper clip and insert it into the hole where there's a button located inside and stay pressed down for about 10 seconds. Once you do this, you'll notice the lights in front of your router will start flashing in different colors. Once they become a stable green, that means your router is finished resetting itself. One last thing to keep in mind is that when you reset your router, it will erase any password that you've saved for modifying its settings from your computer. So to find the original password, that's the default once you reset it, just check in the box for the operating instructions and you should find it there.